Hey everybody, Marc Luber here from JD Careers out there. Just wanted to say hey, happy holidays, happy Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and want to thank everybody for a really great year, and I'm wishing you the best in 2015. Right now I'm in the Panamanian rainforest called the Lost Waterfalls, and I gotta say, I don't know if you've ever had one of those moments where you're so inspired that you cry, but when I hiked up to this spot, and you have to hike through a lot of intense uphill, slippery, muddy rocks to get to this beautiful location. Once I was here, I got to tell you, I started crying like a baby. Look at this, it's amazing. I'll show you around real fast. So I hope you got a good taste of what that's like. It's pretty amazing. Again, hope you all have a great holiday season. Thank you all for a great year. And again, wishing you the best in 2015. Take care.